Good morning from the Yacht Club. Don't mind me, I look like a mess, but we just went to go get breakfast and I want to show you what I got because it looks really yummy. Here's what I got. The breakfast bowl at the Yacht Club comes with one Mickey waffle, potato barrels, eggs, bacon, and then I also got a caramel macchiato coffee. Hopefully that tastes good. Can't wait to eat this. We are ready and on our way for the day. Today, we're going to Hollywood Studios to ride Rise of the Resistance, and then I'm going back to the pool to hang out because it's a beautiful day, as you can see. And then my husband, Corey, is going home to watch the Packers. So that's our day today. We're actually taking the boat to Hollywood Studios. We haven't done that in a long time. It is really a pretty day out here. Here's our boat. This is going to Hollywood Studios only, which is where we want to go. What? Sure. We have the boat to ourselves. There's no one else getting on to go to Hollywood Studios from the Yacht Club. It's so nice out here. Group for Rise of the Resistance today. Corey got it this morning and he almost missed it because he clicked the wrong button, but he got it and we got group 44, but I think it stopped for a little bit because it doesn't seem to be moving very fast today. His Magic Man doesn't do anything cool here. Wearing a Packer shirt for the Packers games today. It is very warm today. There's like a few days of warm Florida weather. Time to walk into Toy Story Land. The lines are a little long right now. We are waiting for Rise of the Resistance. Ooh, our order's ready, and we just decided to order some milk. So we got a blue milk and a green milk. Hopefully, Rise of the Resistance will be ready for us soon. Making our milk for us. There's my green one. My green milk. That's refreshing. I love the green milk. Look who just came out. Stormtroopers.
Hello.
We got called. Group 44 got called. Ooh. The line kind of looks long in here. Normally we just go right through, but there's actually a backup. We are in the room for the free ride.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system.
flight sequence on deck 3 for precaution.
All be interrogated. Everyone disembark from this ship. Disembark means get out.
My favorite part of this ride, it's not even the ride, it's the pre-show. So cool. Here we go on the ride.
Good. Now get a move on.
I won't video more than
There's
this.
a clear path to the top.
We just got off the ride. The timekeeper, Corey, said it took 40 minutes from the time our boarding group was called to the time we got off of the ride. So that's not too bad at all. I'm getting a fresh penny. This one right here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Oh, that one's cool. I love that. I just found this really cute keychain. It is a porg. It is so adorable. I'm definitely putting this on a purse. It is time to say bye to Hollywood Studios for today and then head back to the resort for some pool time. We are back from where we started the day in the back of the Friendship boat, going back to the Yacht Club. Now it's pool time. Going to head to the pool. My sister-in-law and nephew have arrived, so now it's time for family fun. Look who is here. I don't know if you can see that in this video, but Goofy and Pluto are at the pool. Here they are. This is a better video, I think. Aw, look at them. They're so cute. I've never seen them at the resort. I think I want to go see the characters. A close-up of them. It's like always a maze to figure out where you're going in this pool area. Oh, here they are. This is a preview. Hi, Goofy! Hi, everybody. Oh, they're leaving. I don't know where they... Oh. There they are.
Let's go over there. There goes Goofy and Pluto.
Bye, Goofy.
Hey, one more kiss. Thank you.
We just got cocktails. I got a bourbon breeze, which is really good and yummy. Now it's time to head to dinner. My nephew wants to take the Skyliner to the Riviera and then Disney Springs bus from the Riviera. So we're taking a little bit of a long way because he wants to ride the Skyliner. They were going to stay at Pop Century, but they're now staying at the Beach Club Villas. So that's kind of why he wants to take the long way. It is a beautiful day today. Still a lot of cloud coverage, but just beautiful. Look at those clouds. So pretty. It's been really cold here this winter, so this warm weather is much welcome. So nice. I'm starting to get hungry. There's my favorite Skyliner, Beauty and the Beast. I love that one. This is the one we're gonna get. The clear is best because you can see everything.
This
Our
is fine.
Skyliner has temporarily stopped. You can see the one next to us waving in the wind. I'm sure that's what ours
Close your eyes. Ours, I don't feel like we're moving as much as that one looks like it's moving.
I know, that one's really moving. At least it's a pretty view out here. You can see swan and dolphin, then over here, towards here.
California used to have one. Disneyland used to have one of these.
We are taking a bus to Disney Springs, and there's kind of a lot of people are right here right now. Hopefully they have a couple of buses coming. We are now at homecoming, and I got my favorite drink in all, oh, I just spilled all over the place. My favorite drink in all of Disney, the Florida Crush, and they got their little thingies. Here's what I got from homecoming. This is the fried chicken salad. It is so good and one of my favorite things here. Now we are at Hammer Bread. Hi. What can I get for you today? Let's see. Look at this adorable new hat. Oh my gosh, I've never seen this. Disney Parks Mickey Minnie, and then they also have the Halloween, or not Halloween, Valentine's Day ears. Those are pretty, but I'm not gonna get them. The problem with I am home from Disney Springs, and I picked up the Sprinkles cupcake. Unfortunately, it's a Sunday night, so I have to work a little bit at the hotel. Because I have to go to work tomorrow, sadly. But it was a fun time. I still have another hour tomorrow morning, but have to head home to work pretty early. Goodbye, Yacht Club. Thanks for a good stay. Now it's time to get to work at home.